In this tutorial, you'll learn how to recover your deleted Facebook messages. First, go to the Facebook account you want to recover your messages from. Then, in the upper right corner of the page, click the Settings icon. It's the one on the end that looks like a little cog. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Account Settings. Next, click on the link that says Download a copy of your Facebook data. When the new page opens, click Start My Archive. A new window will open and again click Start My Archive. Then click Confirm. The archive contains all your profile information, wall posts, events, pictures, messages, so it can take up to 3 hours for the archive to be generated. Once your archive is ready, you can download it. When you're ready to download your Facebook archive, repeat steps 1 through 3. But instead of clicking Start My Archive, enter the password and click Download Archive. When the download is completed, extract it and open the file named index, (HTML document). Then click on Messages and wait for the messages to load. If you'd like to search your messages using a keyword, press Ctrl F or F3. And this is how you recover your deleted Facebook messages.